Hello friends, welcome to Tech Tip Guide. Today I will show you how to blur edges of image in Canva. So let's start. First of all, let's head on to Canva. Over here is my one image of which I want to blur edges. So first of all, click on Edit Image. Over here you can search Shadow, S-H-A-D-O-W, Shadow, and click Enter. Over here you can see Shadow. Click on this, and over here you can find Glow. Click on Glow. Over here you can find See Control. Click over here. Then you can see parameters to be controlled in Shadow. First of all, I want white edge, so I will click on this color and head on to white. So you can see our edge is getting blurred a bit. Now again I will click over here and edit and go to Shadow and See Control. Over here I can increase size. Now let's increase a bit. Black. I will make this black. Yeah, you can see our edge is being blurred and size is increasing. Now I can also change transparency of this. So I will keep this around 58%, and also we can change blur. We can make it more blur or less. I will keep this to 7. Okay, we can see the edge of our image is blurred. In this way we can blur the edge of image in Canva. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.